All right, these are the elevators at the Arboretum parking garage in Austin. They've got this one over here. Let's go to 5. According to Captain Elevator, or Centex elevators, these used to be Dover. Here we are at level 5. Let's go back down to 1. Door closement works. There's a new Porsche dealership garage in the distance. Let's get a cab view. Just your basic parking garage elevator. Nothing that special. These are the fixtures. That's the floor indicator. Phone is built in. All right, here we are at 1. Okay. And there it goes. And that is it.